Welcome everyone, here's how you add a camera shortcut to your iPhone. I'll cover how to add to the home screen and how to double tap the back of the screen to activate the shortcut as well. So first of all, let's open up the Shortcuts app, and then you're going to find the plus at the top. You're then going to enter the shortcut name, set this to whatever you would like. Tap on Add Action, search for camera, and you can see you have the option to take photo or take video. So I'll just tap on take video. You can see take video with, and you can change the camera you would like to use. If you tap on the arrow, you can change the quality setting. You can also change when the recording starts. So in my case, I want a shortcut where when I tap into it, it's going to take the video right away. Maybe I need to record something real quick and I don't want to waste any time. Now when everything looks good, you're going to tap on the share icon. You're going to slide until you see add to home screen. You can change the name, so I'll say video, like so. You can tap on here to change the icon and just tap on add. Now we have video, you tap into it, and it's going to start the video immediately. Now, how do we set it so when we double tap the back of the phone, it's going to start recording video? We do this by opening up settings. We're going to find accessibility. We're then going to find touch. We're then going to find back tap. We're going to find double tap. We're going to scroll all the way down until we see the shortcuts, and you just want to find the shortcut right here. So I have absolutely no clue what the shortcut name is. We've got FDA. So we just want to scroll until we see this one here. Now when you double tap the back of the phone, watch this. You can see it's going to start recording a video immediately. If you do double tap the back, it won't stop the video, okay? Something that's actually really cool. So you see something, okay, boom boom, and it didn't activate that time. And there we go, you're immediately recording video. Of course you can set this to take a photo, etc. You can customize it as you would like in a Shortcuts app. If you would ever like to remove this shortcut, just tap on none for double tap and you're good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.